Hello everybody, welcome back to the show. How's everybody doing? Good afternoon. Mark, hey, welcome. Oh, you are, good afternoon, first of all. You're God, right? Hey there, Adam, welcome. Üdvözöllek Hungarian stream, it seems like it, right? Market is about to open in less than 1 minute, so I'm quite interested how this is gonna go. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? How is this gonna go down? I think it might just gonna take a dip lower. Who knows? Quite possible, maybe. There's liquidity down there at, to be exact, 70 something, 74, 75. I don't know, but we'll see. Brain hurts. Don't say that. Here comes the market open. Let's see closely how this is gonna go. All right, here we go. Is this gonna try to reprice some levels, maybe lower? Who knows? There is liquidity at that 74 or 75-ish level. I'm not sure, but I think it's just, oh, there you go. It went down. So you felt unkind. Well, you know, we can call you God. The God of trading. Pilko, it's good to see you, man. I want a quick check. Why is TradingView so slow on my end? Anyway, I wanted a quick check on gold. TradingView is absolutely slow on my end. Anyway, NQ broke that 24K level, and seems like we have, yeah, we have this news candle low at 9:30, I think. So I'm actually just curious if it's going to take out that level or not. Is it going to take it out or not? So far, there's liquidity both on the downside and the upside. So question is, which liquidity is it going to take out first? Now be careful with this, because this could be a tricky one. It seems like it might want to go for the lows, but it might just reverse. So until we're not leaving this range, I'm not really interested in anything. And I would be happier. Well, actually, if it makes a displacement lower, that's actually not that bad. So we have that Asia low as well on the downside. I don't know why is this, but TradingView is just super slow. I also have to reconnect to Bulenox here. Everything is just slow. Don't chase it. You know, don't chase it. Okay, it seems like we're gonna take the news candle low at 30. At least we're very close. Watch out for a bounce if you're scalping. The low, oh, what is this gap here? I'm telling you, TradingView has some data issue or something. Anyway, it's 27. The low is 26.50 on the mini, and yeah, 30 on the micro. I'm not gonna scalp it. It's just too dangerous. Even if it takes it out, great, but it's just too dangerous. I'm gonna switch to the 5 minutes at inverting this gap. If it wants to continue lower with some displacement, I'll be ready to go for that demand zone. Otherwise, I'm just sitting on my hands. I'm not gonna do anything with this. Let me know what you guys think. Actually, I need to check the stream quality. I'm having some issues, I think, with my computer right now. I need to check it. Yeah, look at that. Here's the bounce. Ron, good to see you. It's very ugly. Actually, I would be scared to jump into any direction here. But, you know, if it takes out the news candle high, that would be a little bit better for me. Hey, online safety, what's up? You're long? Just trading price and 50 period MA. That's good. That's very good. That is actually good. Yeah, that 930 is interesting. That's an interesting level. And the 1 minute is now repricing this gap. And it's still not the first fair value gap. So don't get it mistaken. This is not the first presentation gap. Only after the first minute. I mean, the first gap after the first minute, basically. 1,500 contracts waiting to get filled at 40. Okay. How's ES doing? Man, why is I'm having issues with TradingView. It's super slow. Or maybe it's my computer, I don't know. SMTBD, yes. Hey Adele, good to see you. I'm gonna be watching that too. Let me just check this here. Okay, we have a zone on the top here. Kind of scary, but we do have a zone on the 1 minute. 406, opening up this candle is 407, so 406.75. What if it wants to go back? Starting to feel like this one can go back. I took a long position on an evaluation account. Right here. Only an eval. I'm just curious if we're going to go back to the 1 minute order block. So my TP is going to be... Okay, we're not. Never mind. Yeah, I'm out. Okay, never mind. Never mind. This was just an eval. No worries. Still not going. It most likely wants to take that news candle low now. I thought that this is just gonna, you know, immediately reprice higher because of that zone up there, but I'm gonna keep an eye on it on the 1 minute. Could be interesting. Flat, nice. 65 and plus 25, nice. 25 is good. Big downside surprise, yeah. Hey DPK, what's up? You're long again, okay. I'm gonna actually wait and see if this one wants to sweep some more liquidity or not. in this scenario. But it's a tricky one. I think NQ just wants to play some mind games here. Yeah. Easy to chop ourselves up here, so. Wow, almost went down. Almost, but it didn't actually. Okay, now it is sweeping the news candle low. Okay. How far can this one go? How far is the actually I'm gonna delete this. It's irrelevant now. How far is the zone? 70 points. The numbers are not good. The numbers are definitely not good. Made a structure shift with a continuation. Should I jump in? I mean, why not? Limit order, 2 micros. Why not? I put a sell limit at 48.50. And I'm going to put my stop 77.50. So my final TP would be 860. It can go down there, man. Look at that. It's not picking up the limit order. That would be the first presentation gap, by the way. This would be, let me check it on the mini. Yeah, that's the first presentation gap. All right. Yeah, the zone is down there at 860. First presentation gap is here. It's visible on both the micro and the mini. Interesting. I'm gonna give a different color to it. Okay. My limit order is still there at 48.50. Still waiting. There's my limit sell order. I don't think it wants to go up there again. At least not now. It might just wants to go down. Feels very weak. All right, I'm aggressive. I'm entering with 2 micros and I'm keeping the limit order up there. Market order, 2 micros, final TP 61.50. I'm still keeping the limit order. My stop is gonna be up there above the swing high. So these are my, I mean, this is the trade. I'm gonna add 2 more micros to the trade. If it picks up that position, that's it. Hey, Navab, good to see you. You need a chair with a neck rest. Well, you know, there's so many, you know, shops that you can buy these chairs. There's so many places. Go for it, I say. Just go for it. Okay. hold on, 3 days. I need to get the okay, so the first presentation gap is here. Okay, the trade has still, okay, it added to the trade. Stop loss up there. TP is, I'm gonna make it 62.50. Why not? And this is it. Trying to go for that demand zone. And if it's not going for it, that's fine. But we'll see. You're out 2 minis. Let's go. Congratulations. Well, I still in this. I'm actually thinking to take a partial here at 82.25. So that's gonna be like 3 micros, I think. 82.75 actually. So I'm taking a partial down there. Okay. What? Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna redo this. So partial at 82.50. That's good. Okay, and then connecting these orders, if I can still do it. Final TP at 61, why not? Final TP at 60.50, why not? So 77.25. Okay. If I can't take a partial, then it's fine. It's all right. Yeah, I don't trust this either. It feels like a trap. One more thing, if this one would just, break lower than 900, maybe I move my stop into the swing point. Like this. We'll see. Not really trusting this move, man. It should be going now already. And it's not going. It feels like it just wants to turn around and sweep the other side. So I might even consider to close it. But I'm not sure. also watching gold. Why is TradingView so slow? So gold 77.6. There's a 1 hour fair value gap there. 77.6. Yeah, this trade is not looking good. Feels like a reversal incoming. Oh man, bullish reaction here. I don't like it. Liquidity swept. Bullish candle. I might have to close this trade. Yeah, I'm closing it. Exited from the trade. I don't like it. On the contrary, I closed it. Yeah, Top Step might logged into the Take Profit Trader data feed, I think. Anyway, I entered to a long position. I'm totally crazy right now. I don't know why I'm doing this. Liquidity sweep, bullish candle. Feels like wants to close higher than 950. I'm targeting no partial. I'm targeting 23,999. I know it's a bad idea. What the? Okay. I'm just screwing up everything today. I'm absolutely messing up my own rules. At least the risk is low. But I'm just messing things up right now. Yeah, I feel because I'm doing some stupid things here. Very stupid decision. Absolutely. I mean, I think they think it anyways. Okay, I'm out. Nice. Sorry. Okay, this trade is out. Jesus Christ. Okay, that's it for me. All right, I tried. This is it. This is just it. It's just not my day. I really thought that this is just gonna go down into the demand zone, but it didn't, so I'm not forcing it anymore. Okay, that's it for me. I don't care. I don't care. Deep breath. No, I'm not trading this. I'm not gonna take a single trade. No trade. I'm not gonna trade this. Could be going for Asia low. Yeah. But I just messed up my own thinking process. Should be just holding the trade until the zone, and I just messed this up, so no thank you. What do I have? Okay, no more accounts to abuse. 862 is still down there. Risk to reward ratio is not good anymore. Well, actually it's still good, but 1.2 can still go. Anyway. Would be great to have a moral victory on this. I know, the new bus will come around. Instead, I'm just going to open up a window and I'm going to take a drink. I'm not taking a trade on this. All right, I'm here. Opened up the window. NATO is going to declare, no, they won't. They're not going to do that, Philcos. They're not going to do it. Why do I have my DayTraders account like this? Okay, that's better. It was just blinking red all the time because of the connection issue. But they're not gonna do it, Philcos. They're just trying to scare people. Actually, what I was reading so far, everything is back to normal by now. They're not going to do that. I'm sure I'm right. I know, I was reading the story, the drone attack, but I'm 100% positive that nothing is gonna happen. Well, war is not good for anyone. It's just not good. I mean, for people who are in business, I mean, who is doing the war business, then yeah, for them maybe. Francisco, yeah, nothing ever happens. What is gold doing? Actually, let me look at gold. You know, interesting how the 15-minute fair value gap got totally unmitigated. Hey, BogaFX, what's up? All right, let's get back to NQ. What do we have here? Another liquidity sweep. Seemingly there's a zone up there, but not really. Is there any other news that we're waiting at 10? Wholesale inventory. Okay, that's nothing. Crude oil. Okay. Bond auction. Okay. Gold seemingly might want to go higher. Vivian, hey, good morning. Rebecca, hello. How much you lost now? I lost about let me check. I lost $534. So I'm done with NQ. I'm done. But it's only on one account. So I'm done. I'm actually just watching gold. Kind of interesting still for me. I'm perfectly done with NQ for this session. Yeah, picked up liquidity. It seems like it might want to go into the gap again. 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. It could be still good. All right, I'm gonna take a long on gold. That's okay still. Can still go 97 point. Actually, 97 would be good for me. I'm gonna go for 97. Yeah, which one is this? I took this on trade day. No. MGC. There it is. So I have a gold long position. And that's it. Terrible start. Terrible start. At least I'll be curious if the zone is going to get mitigated or not. I will be curious about that. But yeah. Okay, NQ wants to close higher on this first presentation gap. Look at that. Let's see if it's going to hold it or not. This was a nice shift here. We needed an up close candle, which is not happening yet. I'm gonna wait. Oh my god, sorry. It was about the audio. I'm sorry, the audio crashed. Yeah, look at that, it closed higher. Now what, you know? Gold still at the same spot. All right, entered the long position on a different account on NQ. I'm sorry, I just couldn't hold myself back. Looking for that zone. I'm long from 53.50. Target is 99. Actually. Targeting 99. Stop loss is 21.75. Because gold is not looking good. Okay. Oh my god, this looks terrible. I just messed up with the gold trade. I'm actually closing down the gold trade. Closed it. Maybe we should put in the Arnie action, right? Yeah. Yeah, though it could be. I mean, we still have the news candle high up there, so I'm just gonna leave this on. I only have this one position right here. This is the only one that I have. 5 micros, so we'll see. I actually shouldn't be trading at all at this. Five minutes TB on NQ. We'll see if it picks up liquidity or not. Hey, Gabor. No, I'm sorry. I don't have ETF promo code. Only I had a link with them. I don't think I still have it in the description down there. If you click on the link, it might give you. I don't even know if we have that link. There was a promo link down there. I have to check it. Take profit, MyFunded, TRADEIFY, FundingTicks, TRADEDAY, Apex, Bulenox, TickTick, DayTraders, Elite Trader Funding. Yeah, so there's a link that you can use down there in the stream description on in the list. That might give you a discount. If not, then you know, I still don't have a code. I mean, there's no special promo code, at least not for me yet. Found. All right. I'm not sure if it gives you a link, but it might give some credit to the stream if you purchase an account through them. I mean, through the link. I appreciate it. I don't even know what's the promo right now at Elite Trader Funding. Your first payment today. Bogo FX, first payment. Congratulations, man. That is awesome. That is great. Congratulations, dude. You deserve it, man. Good job. By the way, if you guys have some topic ideas that you want me to talk about at MyFunded TV, let me know, because actually I can come up with a good narrative and some good, you know, details. If you guys have a topic that you want me to talk, I mean, why not? We can talk about some, you know, risk management, psychology, mental aspect, whatever, trading. How to grow potato. Okay, that's also a good topic. We can do it, you know, I can wait for Matt to finish and we do an extra segment at MyFunded TV. Why not? I'm down. We can do that. Never heard of him. Okay. Okay. He's a cool guy. He's awesome. He's a cool guy. My gosh, my computer gets slower and slower every month. I have to upgrade. I really need to upgrade. Oh no. They have a pullback. We have a pullback, and I don't know why this is happening. Bogo FX, congratulations. You know what? I'm going to give you another applause. There you go. It's just not looking good. Absolutely, man. That must be a great feeling. I mean, it is. I remember getting my first payout in 23. Oh my gosh, that was great. That was $806. That was my first ever payout from trading from a prop firm. $806. It was amazing. It was really something else. And I still, you know, if I... Yeah, I sneezed. So if I get $800 any day, I respect it. That's a real good money. Especially in my country. I mean, you guys from Hungary can imagine, like, especially on the countryside, you know, not in Budapest, but, you know, around the place where I live, and my family lives even more far out. You know, if someone makes $1,000, that's actually a very good salary on the countryside. Very good. Most people are working for $800 and $900 in a month. So imagine taking a payout. Imagine getting a payout for $800 from a simulated funded account. Most people who try trading fall into two traps: being too impulsive or being too careful. Both cost you more than you realize. Cost your time and your mental capital. That's actually a very good topic idea, Zacromonster. You would like to talk about that? You know, to go deeper into that concept? Yeah, no, well, that's a monthly salary for many places. I mean, that's a good one to talk about in My Funded TV. Hey, Solo Trades, good morning. This is not looking good. I need this here. Time opportunity lost. Yeah, I'm not hiding. Why you say I'm hiding? I'm not hiding, Solo Trades. This is the only trade we have right now. No hiding here. How come I don't see a live only if I go to your channel? You have to turn on notifications and maybe push the like button. Solo Trades, if you push the like on any of my stream right now, even if you would like to, push the like and maybe turn on notifications, then, you know, my stream should be popping into your, you know, channel feed sooner than later. I didn't see. Zenra Nakai. Who's that? By the way, if you guys can push the like button now, that would be actually amazing. That helps out the channel a lot. Thank you, thank you. I don't know who that is. Let's go push the like button. Thank you, Adele. Yeah. What is going on with this here? And what? Look at gold. Now gold just really wants to go. Trying to get pissed off here on gold. Trading Star. Hey. Hey, Trading Star. I just noticed you sent me a message. I have to take. I have a phone call here. I have to take this. Guys, it was the market makers. They told me that the market is going to go higher and all is going to be good. I need to go. I need to go because there is an emergency and I should be getting back into my funded TV on time. So I need to go, guys. I have to close the stream. I'm sorry, everybody. This is not the way I planned it. I'm going to leave my trade as it is. So thank you. I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly, and I'll be here tomorrow in London and New York. This is an emergency, but a good, nothing bad. It's all good, but I do have to run an errand. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be at MyFunded TV. Support and like the channel. Use the code, the usual stuff. Thank you, and sorry, I just have to cut it here. See you.